code 2 for quicksfv.exe usually means Windows cannot find or launch the executable file. Error code 2 equals file not found. Here are the most common causes and quick fixes. 1. The exe file is missing or deleted. If quicksfv.exe was removed by antivirus or not extracted properly, you'll get this error. Fix. Re-download quicksfv from the official source. Extract the zip fully. Don't run from inside the archive. Make sure quicksfv.exe exists in the folder --. 2. Wrong file path common with installers or shortcuts. A shortcut or program is trying to launch quicksfv from a location that no longer exists. Fix. Right-click the shortcut properties. Check the target path. Update it to the correct folder where quicksfv.exe is located. 3. Antivirus quarantine. Security software often flags quicksfv, especially in cracked game repack folders. Fix. Open Windows Security. Protection history. Restore quicksfv.exe if it was quarantined. Add the folder to exclusions. Shutter 4. Running from a temporary extracted installer. If you're launching from a setup file that expects quicksfv inside a specific directory, it will fail if files were moved. Fix. Re-extract the full package using WinRAR or 7-zip. Run the installer again from the extracted folder. 5. Corrupted download. Very common with repacks. Many repacks use quicksfv for file verification. If even one file is missing, you'll see this error. Fix. Rehash or re-download the missing parts. Don't rename any files in the package. Keep all files in the same folder as the installer. Quick checklist. Fast solution. 1. Re-download the full archive. 2. Extract with 7-zip WinRAR. 3. Disable antivirus temporarily. 4. Run installer as administrator. 5. Ensure quicksfv.exe is in the same folder as setup files. If you tell me what program game you're installing and where the error appears, setup, launcher, etc., I can give you the exact fix in 1-2 steps.